Don and Rosita met in New York City. They both were taking classes at different dance locations. So finally they decided to get together and they became a partner. So they rented a place in Jersey City where they could practice their dancing. People would come up and ask them, do you teach classes? And they said, no, we were just practicing. But then all of a sudden it hit them, maybe we should charge a fee and teach dance so we could pay for our costumes and our lessons. Before you know it, we had a lot of students. Well, we start them at toddlers, at 3 years old. And we have a program that we put together. It's a combination class. They get tap, ballet, and tumbling. We start off with the tap, and they go change their shoes. They do the ballet, they sit, they do their stretching. And then at the end, we do the tumbling, which consists of bridges to strengthen their body. And they lay on the mat and they do these push-ups. And then we also do cartwheels. Through the dance, they develop a discipline. It carries on into their school, and they listen better. They walk better. It's very good for them. The stretching and everything that strengthens their body. We do shows at the end of the year. Usually our year runs from September through June, and we put on a dance recital. We did well over 100 shows over the years and maybe more. We put on a big show in downtown Jersey City by the water for the governor, and we did that. We do tap, ballet, hip-hop, point, acrobatics, tumbling. We do aerobic dancing, and we also teach ballroom dancing, Latin dancing, salsa, merengue, cha-cha, whatever, and we do the waltz, the foxtrot. We've been doing this now this is actually our 77th year. We have people that come in, they're getting married for the wedding, they tell me, we just don't want to stand there and sway back and forth. So what I do is I develop a routine for them. I set up a choreographed routine. Like I tell everybody, 100 steps, but if you can't lead the girl into these different steps, what good is it? I'd rather see 4 or 5 steps and be able to lead her from one into the other instead of 100 steps and say, well, geez, I can't make her dance. And we could have the whole bridal party in, and we teach them all together. And we do Sweet 16 dancing. 90% of the time they bring their own music in, and I set up a dance to that. My name is Don. I'm the son of Don and Rosita, and it's 4 generations of dances.